This is John at Robison Service, and we're here this morning looking at this fine Lamborghini Countach 5000S that was mechanically restored at Robison Service. This is the earlier carbureted version of the Countach, which is a pretty rare car, and it's really the style of car that made the Countach such a famous and desirable model. This vehicle is really strikingly original. It has only had 2 owners in its time in the United States, and it's in really remarkable original condition. We can take a look inside here, and it shows 36,000 kilometers, and you can see the interior is really in quite amazing condition for its age. Can you lift the engine lid and we'll look at the motor, Jose? You can see here's the import tag. These cars weren't imported into the United States formally, so each one was brought in privately. Here we can see the original form of the Lamborghini V12. Now, when this car came to us, the owner decided to undertake a mechanical restoration because the car was burning a great deal of oil, even though it didn't have many miles on it, only 20,000 miles roughly. It was using a quart of oil every 100-some miles. When we took the engine apart, we found that the oil control rings were just stuck. I think maybe from poor quality in the factory and from long periods of sitting. Now the owner wanted to retain the patina of the engine bay, so we did not refinish any of these components. We did refinish the black cam covers because the paint was peeling. The carburetors have been rebuilt and they're completely new inside, but we've left the original finish. These ignition wires are about 20 years old, and we left those again for the patina. And it's really a strikingly original car. Can you start it, Jose? We'll let the people see how one of these things starts and sounds. We'll fire it up with the engine open. Fires right up. Give it a little throttle, Jose. There's the characteristic Lamborghini roar. Really a very fine running and driving car. Rebuilding the engine isn't really enough in one of these cars. We've mounted new tires. We've gone through and we've put new front end bushings in. There's new brake hoses. All the electrics are fixed. The thing about these cars, so often they are sold in a state where they look beautiful, but they're mechanically not drivable. And this car we have in a condition to go out and run on a track event just as well as you could show it in a concours. And in its first event, the owner and I took this car to Concours of America in Detroit, where it actually won its class. And we're very proud of that. So it's a fine old example of one of the early Countach cars, which is, really Lamborghini's most legendary automobile. So this is John at Robison Service, and we'll talk to you next time.